Hi folks, this is a new video which I'm making out for. It's a small video which I'm making out for international fooding supply. International fooding supply. Suppose you are in Delhi and there is a small restaurant open in Melbourne in Australia and you want to get the food from there to Delhi in your home for eating it. And suppose if you are in Kolkata and there is a restaurant open in Dallas in US, you want to get that fooding from there. The name of this company is Kumar Kaushik, and Miss Deepika Madam, who is Miss India in Chronicles. So this is dedicated to me and Madam. So you are most welcome to join this company and get along with it. And I dedicate to some more naughty girls, which is the company, which is you all can join with me, and you'll get a chance to go abroad all across the world with the company payment. Kumar Kaushik is the name of the company. It's a going letter company name. My name is also Kumar Kaushik, so I've just made this company. So all across international fooding supply places, the original fooding, like not the packet one that you eat packed. This is the original food which will be packed in a proper way. You can get it done in this microwave oven and you can eat it out. So, and the charges for this supply is around 100 to 150 rupees. Is I'm telling in this Indian currency. Maximum it takes is 100 to 150 rupees is a delivery charge for it. So if you order for like $10 equals to 500 or 600 rupees, 150 to 200, the maximum goes to 250 rupees. So it's like, it's for the good houses and everything, international supplies, a lot of people, international people, you'll get a food. So minimum amount of money which is required in this is around $20 to $30 of things is around. So in that we include 250 to 300 whole of the amount for parcel, and we get it to you. $30 is the minimum amount which you have to pay out for this fooding, $30. So it's basically international fooding. So if you're in India, you want to eat food from China, you want to eat food from Taiwan, you want to eat from Singapore. So this whole process in this, and you don't have to worry about this whole thing. There's one stop AJ4 service which is in the mobile. Just pay it out by banking to banking, and we will get it out with it. So just a simple process, and don't worry about much of home delivery thing. It's just a small nominal amount we want, which is required by the courier people. That's all it is. Just enjoy this video and have a good time. Bye.